The load-sensitive multi-directional valves produced by Shanghai Ragtech Hydraulic Control System Co., Ltd. consists of connecting blocks, reversing blocks, and tail plates. This kind of valve adopts modular design, owning the characteristics of compact structure, high pressure resistance, and energy saving, etc. When the PSL multi-directional valve is in the neutral position, the pressure oil from P-port of the constant displacement pump opens the normally closed constant differential relief valve and returns to the oil tank through R port. As the pressure oil enters each reversing block simultaneously, the constant differential pressure reducing valve area is closed, and the oil reaches the orifice part of the main valve. The three-way pressure reducing valve reduces the pressure at the P-port to approximately 20 bar, which is used for electro-proportional pilot control by the proportional pressure reducing valve. When the proportional solenoid is energized, the proportional pressure reducing valve is opened and the pilot oil flows through the pilot oil line to the joystick control box. Pushing the main valve spool to shift to a certain opening, the pressure oil then drives the actuator to perform the desired action. The load LS signal reaches the spring chamber of the constant differential pressure reducing valve through the shuttle valve, forming a proportional speed control valve with the main valve spool. The LS signal also reaches the spring chamber of the constant differential relief valve, pushing its valve spool to close the P and R oil circuit areas, achieving the pump valve system and output the actual pressure and flow required by the load. When the proportional solenoid is de-energized, the proportional pressure reducing valve closes, and the main valve spool and joystick return to their original positions due to the force of the spring. Taking a crane as an example, when a uniform varying current is applied to the multi-directional valve, the output flow is represented on the horizontal axis of the curve, and the action of the boom, represented on the vertical axis of the curve, changes proportionally. The Ragtech Series 2, 3, and 5 multi-directional valves have been widely used in construction machinery, mining machinery, agricultural machinery, lifting equipment, municipal vehicles, petroleum machinery, special vehicles, and more.